Hi there, welcome back. In this section, I want to show actually how to integrate our template as well. Look at that. This is our admin dashboard template as well. Admin dashboard. Okay. So now this is our template also. In this section. This is the this static HTML convert to a Laravel Blade template as usual, the significant way. Okay, so first of all, just grab the source code as well. Just make a copy. Okay, and now go to our VS Code. Okay, now here is our VS Code, and first of all, go to this is the admin controller. Go to dashboard, and this is our. Oh, sorry. Here is our admin index pages. Okay, so now we just manipulate. Before that, here is the master as well, so we just put the master actually. Just format the document. Yeah, so here is the header, and better we just make sure. Now the main folder of the section, and fine, and put it on here. Okay, and as well, this is the top start page wrapper. Actually, our backend template is very clean and professional. Okay, this is the base content wrapper. So model start. Here is a script, so better we just make the script model. Okay, later I just model into graph. Yes. Okay, so master include backend dot section dot script. Perfect. Okay, better we just make sure the asset helper function and prefix. This is the prefix should be backend. Before this, we check actually our asset folder. So just wait. I show you. Look at that. Actually, this is our template. Okay, now this template will be asset means lot of is a predefined css font, images, javascript, js query code, and lots of plugin will be available in there. So if you are a Laravel developer, definitely you will be knows that actually how is this asset, or if you are a new, we just say this is the asset, is asset is all of this. You get all of these images, all of this css template css included in there. So just better we just go to our project directory. Here is the gem, here is the stdog. go to YouTube, and this is our food tutorial, and yes, is a tutorial is, and here is the public folder, and make a folder name backend. Here is this folder backend, and now all of this just paste. Done. Okay, now go to the VS Code as well. And now here is this. Look at that. This error will be automatically gone. I just show you step by step. This is the header. Okay. So here's a header, and here is this the sidebar as well. This is a container flow. Actually, probably it will be the main page, and it will be the footer. So I make it separated first. Step by step I will show you. Here is the header. It's a similar process and simple one. Just make copy, include, and just make it paste, and go to master. Here you just mention include. Okay, this header file will be automatically got it. Fine. And now here is our sidebar as well. Okay, and this sidebar just manage for another things. Okay, just paste it. Backend dot section dot sidebar. Perfect. This is the main page. Okay, this is our, so here we just, oh, I just make mistake. This here content, this is our main content area. Okay, and this content will be pasted in here index. So before this, make it format. Okay, and before, so backend master, this is extent, and this is the section. Section will be content, and this section will be indeed here. Perfect. Now in this footer well, so just once again this is similar process. Okay, sorry, let's just make paste. That's fine. And as well, this is the modal area. We just make it copy. Okay, okay. So I hope the master page will be everything is done perfectly. Okay. Yes, and now go to our browser and check actually how the output will become. Now reload the page. It's a little bit of late because yes, actually no CSS and JavaScript will be caught there. So actually this problem I show you. We need to actually asset helper function. So include this and everything will be perfect. Okay. Now go to the VS Code. So what I do do you need now? First of all, go to the section link. Here is this. So lots of CSS files. So I think the meta will be, and here it will be better. Okay, and we just put it this also. And later it will make it dynamic, but this manual title will be showing here application. Okay, I just make it clear everything and step by step I'll show you. Okay, this is the link. Okay, so here I'll just show you. Look at this. This will be the asset, the helper function, and what was our prefix? Our prefix was backend. So here, look at this. All of this similar typo, right? And they make it similar as them. Okay, and now this is all prefix link will be put in here. Look at that, everything is backend and as well as the script as well. So I hope CSS and JS file will be get this project also. So let's see what's happened from the browser. Once again, keep reload. Yes, look at that. The template will be came in here. All CSS and JS necessary file will be getting to our project as also well. And now only the one things. Look at that. This is the dark template. Okay, so we just mentioned for this dark template. Look at that. This is a body additional class will be dark only. Okay, so here we need to manage this so dark only, so better we just make it copy. No, actually it has our master and this is the body and now make the class, yeah, dark only. I hope so let me check. Okay, now just once again keep reload. I hope everything will be getting to here. All of this dark mode will be get, yes, the dark mode will be get here. Now here look at this, look at this, lots of images missing, so that's why this project will be a little bit of slow. And after next video we'll manage for our entire image of this website as well. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next and humble request, if you like this video, so please subscribe this channel. It's helps the motivate to make a a new video. But on the other way, you can get all this source code step by step, and I will put the all of this GitHub link into the project description below. So please check description, and I show you. Look at this. This is currently three commit into available in this Git URL. Step by step later, you can get all of the source code as well. So thank you so much. Let's see for this next video.